Hello. Today, we are going to learn about snakes. Let's start. Snakes are really cool creatures that you might have seen in the zoo or in a book. They live all over the world, in many different places like deserts, forests, and even in the water. There are so many kinds of snakes, big ones, small ones, and they come in all sorts of colors. Snakes are not like other animals. They don't have legs or feet to walk, but they can still get around. They move by slithering, which is like a long wiggly dance on their bellies. Isn't that interesting? They also don't have eyelids to blink like we do, so they sleep with their eyes open. Even though snakes are different, they do many things just like other animals. They eat food to grow strong, and sometimes the food can be bigger than their head. You might wonder how that's possible. Well, snakes have a special jaw that can stretch very wide to eat things bigger than their head. Some snakes eat rats, birds, or eggs, and really big snakes can even eat things as large as deer. Did you know that snakes can't hear like we do? They feel the vibrations, or little shakes, in the ground to know what's happening around them. And they smell with their tongues. When a snake sticks its tongue out, it's not being rude. It's just trying to smell. But we need to be careful around snakes. Some snakes can be dangerous because they have venom, which is like really bad bug bites that can make you sick. But snakes usually only use their venom to protect themselves or catch their food. Even though some people might feel scared of snakes, snakes are more scared of people than we are of them. Most snakes just want to be left alone to do their snake things like sunbathing, slithering, and smelling with their tongues. It's really important to respect snakes and all animals. Some snakes are in trouble because their homes are being destroyed. But we can help. There are people who work hard to keep snakes safe, and we can help by learning more about snakes and telling others how special they are. Remember, snakes are just like us in some ways. They want a safe place to live, food to eat, and to be left in peace. So, the next time you see a snake in a book or the zoo, remember all the amazing things about them and how we can help keep them safe. Like and subscribe.